In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head to ClickUp. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you can access your projects. The goal today is to turn a standard task list into a clear, visual Kanban board that helps you see work moving from start to finish. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the space where your work lives. A space is like a high-level container for a team or a project area. Picking the right one keeps everything organized and ensures you're looking at the tasks that matter to you. If you have several spaces, choose the one that holds the project you want to visualize. Inside that space, select the specific list you want to view. In ClickUp, a list is where your individual tasks live. Think of it as a focused collection of related work, such as a sprint, a feature set, or a campaign. Selecting the correct list will make sure your board shows only the tasks that belong to that slice of work. At the top of the list, you'll see options for different ways to look at your tasks. Open the Views menu. Views let you switch from a spreadsheet-like list to more visual layouts without changing your underlying data. This is powerful because you can analyze the same tasks from different angles depending on what you need at the moment. From the available options, choose Board. This switches you into a Kanban-style layout, where tasks are organized into vertical columns that typically represent stages of work, such as to do, in progress, and done. Selecting Board doesn't move or alter your tasks, it simply changes how they're displayed. Now you're looking at your Kanban board. Each column reflects a status, and each card is a task. Read cards from left to right to understand progress at a glance. Drag a task from one column to the next as work advances. This updates its status and keeps your team aligned without extra typing. Use the card face to spot due dates, assignees, and priority so you can quickly balance workloads and identify bottlenecks. A simple best practice is to keep stages clear and minimal, so everyone knows exactly what each column means. Another tip is to glance across the middle columns first. That's where work most often stalls. If you notice too many tasks piling up there, it's a signal to adjust focus or remove blockers. That's it. You've navigated to your space, chosen the right list, switched the view, and opened the board to manage work visually with Kanban in ClickUp.